Okay, now for our next experiment, I have made a model of wing for an airplane. Okay. Now, when the air passes through here faster, okay, it has a shape that the air passes from here faster. The pressure becomes low, and the pressure here becomes high, and it gets lift. Okay, this is the shape of an wing, airfoil shape. Did you zoom? Okay, yeah. Let's try this experiment. This is our air. You see, the air passes. You see? Okay? Let's try again. The air passes from here faster because of its shape. The velocity Vts is high and the pressure is low. Okay, Cristiana? Cristiana? Yeah, again. Oh. Maria, is Ana Maria? You see? Okay? Yeah. Oh! Yeah.